Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another code point video for you guys. So let's dig into the video. But before we do that, please consider subscribing and like my video. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and thumbs up. And please turn on the bell icon so you can get the latest updates of my videos. So let's get started. What we are learning today, we are learning how to create forms in HTML. So first of all, what are forms? Forms, if we go to Google and if we click on sign in, that's a form. Sign in, not the sign in button, but the thing which asks us email, password, a retype password, everything like that. So basics of forms. We're going to be learning today basics of form, and we're going to be adding some tags. So what we're going to do is we're going to locate to our Visual Studio Code. Before we do that, we have to create a folder like this, forms in HTML, whatever you can name it. And and then we can, once we have created the folder, we can drag it to Visual Studio Code. Okay, I think this one, yeah. And if we click here, we can click on Add Folder, and then we can come to Desktop. We can select Forms in HTML. We're gonna click on Add. Once we have done that, we're gonna create a new file over here, and we're gonna name it index.html. Once we have done that, we're going to add an exclamation sign and we're going to press enter. Once we have done that, we're going to name title as basics of form. Basics of forms. Now we're going to add here input tag. Input. We're going to come here and now we're going to put here text. Oh no, not text. We're going to put this over here, which says type. Okay, type, we're actually saying him to add in text. Type equals text. Okay, once we have done text, now we're gonna add name. Name equals, and we're gonna put here username. And we're gonna come back, and as you can see, we have put our name. And finally, let's talk about placeholder. So now we're gonna add a placeholder over here by doing placeholder equals not like that, equals, and we're gonna put here again username. Once we have done that, we're gonna duplicate it 3 times, and once we have done that, we're going to change username to password. Password, and we're going to come down and we're going to type here, retype your password, okay? Retype your password. If we press Ctrl S, and if we right click and click on Open with Live Server, and here we got it. Okay, now basics of HTML. We got our placeholders over here. We're saying username, password, retype password. Once we have done everything, so if you put here example at gmail.com, password, we can put anything. Here we can put here anything. And where's the button now? So we're gonna add a button now. So to add a button, we can just do over here button, and we're gonna name it Click Me. Click me. Save. Come back, and here we got it. We have added our email, password. Click me. It never took us to a new page. So that's what we're gonna learn in our next video. We're gonna learn in our next video that how to actually make our button responsive, so if someone clicks on it, it takes him to a new page. And also that if we type something in our password thing, okay, here, so it doesn't show us the letters, it shows the dot, so no one can see it. Okay, yep. So that's what we're gonna learn in our next video. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video, meaning part 2 of this video. Till then, bye bye.